You can do however you would like. You can do is like half the nails. You can do diagonals, however you would like. I think I want to do full nails, and we'll see how it is. Or you can do half, just half of it. All right, make sure your appliance is all completely the nails. Here for 30 seconds. Let's going to do the same thing with the next one, because we're going to have all of them. It's transfer. Thank you so much everyone from YouTube and also Facebook. Okay, that's one as well. Hello everyone, hope you all have a fabulous day. Is anyone doing anything for tomorrow, party or cooking right now? All right, I'm so excited because I can't wait. Besides a lot of designs that I did share with you using neon, this special kit will give me so much inspiration, and it has completely the kits with all different designs that I want. All right, here for 30 seconds. And now with the first nails, and I use premium eye hold transfer foil. It's here in 30 seconds. It will transfer all of the images for you. And we're gonna using this image. You can definitely go in with just half of the nails, or you can do, oh my god, this is really cool though. I like that. And you don't have to do it like just straight down. You can definitely do a lot of different designs in a different angle. I'm gonna go in and get part of yellow, part of pink, and part of like blue, like have a green teal color. Give it a good press. It doesn't matter the backgrounds you're doing. I have the yellow sun, so it's give it really cool. The tweezers right there, the pink one. Thank you. Give it good. I'm using my dual tweezer. How beautiful it is. And then it's transfer completely for you. And I am going to using condensed glue gel. And the first step from our crystal trifecta and twin tip brush. It's a little bit, it's really thick density, so you're gonna using it, and you are going to use it just small amounts. You don't want to be too thick. Too thick is gonna flood your crystal. If you are too thin, you are going to got more chance that your crystal going to falling. Can you get me this one? And don't forget to using is no white top gold to folding on the top. This will double secure your crystal, stay on one place. And I got some cute designs is ready for you. And floating this one on. There you go. I'll pick this one. And then of course, important is centerpiece first. And add it around.
Hey Alexa, no, so we don't cure anything yet. So you have condensed glue gel on first, and then floating over, no white top coat. and then you're gonna put your design on. When everything is ready and you're happy with it, then you cure.
Yes, thank you, babe. I didn't see the comment, so. All right, so I'm gonna using some frame and some beads. And this is really cool. This kit had everything is offer. So I'm gonna add some beads on. And add it on. So the best way to do is to add the centerpiece first. In this beautiful designs, I am chose the centerpiece is the super cute drop, raindrop, and then I am placing all of that is smaller SS around and the frame around with a centerpiece. You can using a different centerpiece, like there's so many different cute centerpieces that you can able to add it on. I'm gonna add just a little bit. It's going to be your bestie for crystal placement, and you are having a hard time to have a crystal stay on and it's keep catching on the client's hair. This is going to be your bestie and your clients will be so appreciated. All right, so you see the best thing about condensed glue gels and no white top coat is not here right now, both of them. And then you can able to adjusting it as you wanted it. If you feel like it's, you know, it's not straight the way you want, or you need to add beads on like I'm doing right now, you can absolutely do it before you cure. I'm gonna add one beautiful pink right there. And one more, and you can definitely keep on and on with this and you will never go wrong with this. You can feel more crystals and the beads, but if you're happy, when you're happy, completely happy with this, we are going to cure under the LED lamp for 60 seconds.